Good morning, Bowtie David here for Bowtie Life. I've been away for a few days in Arkansas visiting grandkids and came back to the garden. And of course, if you've watched our garden tours, you're familiar with this turmeric. It's going crazy. It's huge. It's monster. I didn't know they grew that big, but I also didn't know that they did this. Look at this bloom on here. Isn't that just absolutely amazing? Never imagined something like that coming from the turmeric. This is just blowing me away. This is a root that I bought from our local food market that was organic, and I just stuck several fingers of the turmeric in the ground, and this one plant has finally bloomed. I didn't know it did it. Hey, please subscribe to Bowtie Life so you don't miss a thing coming out in the garden. Y'all have a blessed day.